And now, guys, for something slightly different, not completely, but slightly. Startup Iceland and Vodafone Iceland, they have teamed up together to launch a program designed specifically for founders in Iceland to help them grow fast locally and then globally. The program is called Stökkpallurinn, and it is mildly translated the springboard. And companies or entrepreneurs that fitted a special criteria could apply, and from these applications, 4 finalists were chosen to participate in Stökkpallurinn. And Stökkpallurinn gave them a chance for private mentoring from some of today's speakers, and Startup Iceland also allowed them private sessions from specialists at Vodafone Iceland. These teams also received scalability workshops, possible distribution contracts with Vodafone Iceland, and last but not least, the chance to pitch their ideas to you, some of the most influential individual in Icelandic and international startup scene. Depending on their successfulness for the pitch, the teams will also compete for a special prize, a first to third prize of monetary rewards, and the Red Office premium bundles that Vodafone Iceland offers. And now we have come to the first 2 pitches of today. They are 5 minutes long each, and therefore I would like to welcome the first person, Halldór Þorsteinsson from Keywe. Where can I find you, sir? There you are, sir. Stage is yours, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Halldór Þorsteinsson. I'm the co-founder of Keywe. Not much has changed the last 100 years in education. The classrooms, teaching, and how we approach learning hasn't changed much since. We may have bought a lot of iPads and computers, but the methodology hasn't changed much. Still remains the same. In Keywe, we are revolutionizing how people learn. How people study by reinventing the notebook. This one here. Many of you may think that Microsoft did that many years ago with Word documents, but that's not exactly the case. The Word documents allow us to type on computers instead of paper, but not to remember properly or learn properly. We're still today focusing on written text. And we're still focusing on, these things here, they're getting piled up in boxes in garages, and Word documents are getting lost in computers somewhere. But the worst thing is that we are still focusing on short-term memory in order to pass an exam or two. Keywe is a browser-based notebook. It allows you to assemble text and videos and photos to create a school project. The school projects are made visual, which is an essential thing, which is a key thing in long-term memory, and searchable. And we do that with tags, just like Twitter and Facebook. But we add a little photo to the tags, and we call them pick tags. So how does it work? We create a school project, and we hashtag it with these little pick tags. And the pick tags represent keywords, key elements of the subject that we're studying. Of the subject that we're studying. And what are we doing there? Essentially what we're doing is we're taking thoughts about a certain subject, and we're turning them into keywords. And we're turning those keywords into pick tags. And we're using those pick tags in school projects. But there's a little bit more magic here. We're turning those school projects in Keywe into computer games. And this is a concept that we would like to call personalized gaming. Personalized gaming allows students to play computer games out of their own thoughts. And Keywe is probably one of the first edtech products that incorporates user-generated content, user-generated data in mobile, or not mobile, just gaming development. This enables students to understand gaming and game design, and opens up various analytical learning avenues. You know, kids are powerful creatures. And we can tap into the immense potential. We can tap into the immense potential of most of the students that go through our educational system. And we should do that. And we can do that with Keywe. If you're interested in seeing how that happens, please come see me after this. Thank you.